Do you make YouTube shorts but don't get any views? No one watches your videos? Then this video is for you because I'm going to tell you 4 real, proven tricks that will 100% make your videos go viral. Listen carefully till the end, because if you miss even one, success will slip away. First trick: hook your viewers in the first 3 seconds. If you can't stop the viewer at the very beginning, they'll just scroll away. What's a hook? Say or show something that makes the viewer think, I can't miss this. For example, do you make YouTube shorts, but no one watches them? Want to know why? If you start like this, people will stay and watch. Second trick: good content isn't enough. Good presentation makes it viral. Structure your video in 3 steps: question, problem, solution. Make the viewer feel, hey, I've faced this too. Then they'll keep watching to find the solution. Third trick: be consistent with one theme. One day a tip, another day a joke. If you do this, no one will become your fan. Pick one content type like tips, facts, shiari, or motivation, and keep a consistent format. How you start and end each video should feel the same. Fourth trick: you don't need to learn SEO to go viral, but you must fix your title, hashtags, and thumbnail title. Use 5-7 words that spark curiosity. Hashtags: always use 3 viral ones. Shorts: hashtag viral, hashtag YT shorts. Thumbnail: not that important in shorts, but make sure the first frame grabs attention. Remember, if you work consistently, upload 1 good video every day, YouTube will be forced to recommend you. Woo! This isn't magic, it's a strategy. If you like this video, go make a short right now, and comment which trick helped you the most.